Flood Watch. National Weather Service Huntsville. AL 1102 AM CDT Saturday, March 15, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Albertville, Tuscumbia, Moulton, Sheffield, Fayetteville, Rainsville, Athens, Florence, Cowan, Boaz, Russellville, Winchester, Guntersville, Sewanee, Estill, Springs, Red Bay, Town Creek, Huntsville, Scottsboro, Decherd, Muscle Shoals, Lynchburg, Cullman, Fort Payne, Decatur. An Arab 1102 AM CDT Saturday, March 15, 2025. Flood watch remains in effect through late tonight. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible, where portions of Alabama, including the following areas: Colbert, Cullman, DeKalb, Franklin, A.L. Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Mars, Hall, and Morgan, and southern Middle Tennessee, including the following areas: Franklin, TN, Lincoln, and more. When, through late tonight, impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: much of the area has received 1-3 inches of rainfall overnight into this morning, and more heavy rainfall from strong to severe thunderstorms is anticipated today into tonight. Rain may be very heavy at times in thunderstorms, especially this afternoon and evening, and increase the risk for flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary preparedness actions. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. And urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville, AL 1100 AM CDT Saturday, March 15, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Albertville, Tuscumbia, Moulton, Sheffield, Fayetteville, Rainsville, Athens, Florence, Cowan, Boaz, Russellville, Winchester, Guntersville, Sewanee, Estill, Springs, Red Bay, Town Creek, Huntsville, Scottsboro, Decherd, Muscle Shoals, Lynchburg, Cullman, Fort Payne, Decatur. An Arab 1100 AM CDT Saturday, March 15, 2025. Wind advisory remains in effect until 1 AM CDT Sunday. South winds 15 to 25 mph with gusts up to 40 mph, where portions of north-central, northeast, and northwest Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. When, until 1 AM CDT Sunday impacts, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. And